very happy today because I have paid off my house at the age of 49. So, if you like to pay your house fast, please follow my channel and I can show you how to pay your house within 5 years and how to save the money and live your life with your means. Now I'm working on my side hustles to replace my day job. I'll give 5 years to replace my job and replace my regular job, the side hustle, and I'll be ready to retire early in 55, not the traditional way, to 63, and then I can enjoy my life, to do whatever I want to do. So that's the most important thing, because house is the most expensive expense in your budget. So pay your house first. Save your money and pay your house as soon as possible, so you will be free to 9 to 5 job. And there's a lot of ways to do that. So I keep posting my videos for financially free before the age of 63. Thanks for watching. Keep watching my videos, and I'm giving some good tips how I can make side hustle money to replace my day job. Thank you very much.